Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA Error Code 43. Windows has stopped this device because it has caused or reported problems. So what you do is you just come here and right click on your start icon, click on Device Manager, and we need to first uninstall your display adapter right here for the NVIDIA graphics card. So you need to come here and uninstall this device. Okay, and after that, once you're done with the uninstallation process, right, toggle this one on, attempt to remove the device drivers. So then once you've uninstalled this, you restart your PC. You just right click here and then you come here, shut down or sign out, click on restart, and once your PC restarts, what your PC will do, it will automatically reinstall the drivers. Then what you do is you come here to nvidia.com, download the NVIDIA app. Click here, NVIDIA app, click on download now, install the NVIDIA app, and then I want you to open it up. So here we go. Here's the NVIDIA app. We're opening it up. Then here on the left-hand panel, you will actually see an option for drivers. So click here on drivers, and I want you to install the NVIDIA recommended driver. Download this and install this. This will fix your issue. That's what it did for me as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.